Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to get unlimited Robux fast and free. So one of the ways that helps you get the Robux currency without any effort is by creating a new game on your Roblox. Hear me out. After you're creating a new Roblox game, you don't need to actually do anything. You can just create something like a green screen kind of a game. Right? We're gonna just go ahead right here to the creation and just go ahead and make your own experience. Do something simple, right? By like green screen, and all you gotta do is download the Roblox app. I forgot to mention that, but you need the Roblox app to be on your device so you can create the game, right? And after you've done all that, after you create something simple like green screen kind of a thing, you will need people to join in to your Roblox game. I know. So basically, after you have few people join into your game and developing their items and creating their world and all that, playing around with your game, what's gonna happen is you're gonna just go ahead to each member or each individual that have items on your game, and what you're gonna do, and which this is like game developers method, is by going ahead and buying an item from them, and that's how you get a Robux as a commission to your account. All right, and basically what's gonna happen after you buy, like, let's say for example a hair or skinned hair or whatever it is, right? After you buy it, you're gonna get a percentage of Robux currency into your Roblox account. All right, so simple as that. You need to play around, and see buy other people's items, and people buying from other people's items in your game, and that's how you get a commission. All right, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.